Hi there. In this video, we will go over the process of creating a new product. Note that this video covers the basic of the creation and doesn't include using anything else other than default view or importing from an Excel file. If you want to learn how to create custom views, we have a tutorial on that too. Check the link in the description. First, we need to access the product list module. To do so, please take the following steps. First, open your left navigation menu. Expand the inventory menu option by clicking on it. Click on the product list menu item. In this module, you will be able to see the list of all products. To create a new product, click the bright round action button on the left side of your screen. You will see all your custom views in this list, but today we're going to focus on the default view. To start, click the Create Default Product button to open the New Product dialog. Note that this is the list of common default fields, but not all of them are mandatory. The ones that you absolutely need to populate are marked with a red asterisk. Note that you also have the ability to make use of another item's details as a template. To do this, press the Copy Details from in the upper right corner. Note that if you need other fields to populate or would like to get rid of some default fields, you would need to set up custom views. You can check our tutorial on this. Link is in the description. Once you are happy with your selections, press OK to finish the creation. That's it for the basics of populating your product list using the Flawless POS. Thanks for watching.